Everybody, doing so here. I'm gonna be talking to y'all about what is going on. Okay, I was gonna be talking to y'all about the tornado, which is coming out in about 2 hours on my time of day. I don't know about y'all's, but it's an epic card. And luckily today in the shop there was a epic chest containing 10 epics. Well, I figured if I can wait until 2 hours, I can get that and hopefully get the tornado in it. So we'll see how that goes. I need 2 more crowns for the crown chest, so hope I can get that. Which is kind of looking a little bit downside of it. We got 1 hit, 2 hits, got 1 hit, and 1 hit. Send out another hit right there. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna save up and start spamming out troops. Send in miner. Come on, you coward. Okay, we're gonna rage this side real quick. So hopefully you can get some. I'll let you take off. I'll try to send down there 2 archers right there. They're gonna hit that freaking wizard right out there. Distraction so the archers can go do some damage on the wizard. Okay, took the wizard out. Okay, we're gonna try to rage this hog over to that side. Which is gonna do goodies. I took him. Oh, that's gonna give him a good game. Okay, that's 12 coins. So it should be in 8. After this chest, I should be in 8,000s. 300 coins, 3 gems, 7 masks. So stupid stuff, pretty much. Yep, I'm in 8,000s. So no one's on the plan, so I can't donate. So pretty much I'm gonna try playing battles and stuff like that. Tornado comes out in let's see, 2 hours 28 minutes, which by morning it should be able to come out, but I want it now. I don't know what that's gonna be. Okay, so we're gonna jump to another match. And yeah, or actually I'm gonna show you. Let me find something. Oh, okay, I'm gonna jump into another match. Vixen. Oh, he's angry. He's getting his game on. I'm gonna hopefully take out that tower, but that, no, he has a freaking witch. God dang it, America. God bless America. Subscribe if I'm right. Okay, we're gonna send out a hog on that side, which hopefully he can do some damage to that tower. 1 hit, 2 hits, and 3 hits. Should I do that? I'm gonna do it to the side because the tower is almost down. Take out you. Freeze you. Oh, freaking A, Valkyrie. I was gonna get good damage done. Okay, we should miner it for distraction so the archers can get some good hits. Okay, that's that tower taken care of. So we're gonna send in, after the witch gets past the bridge, we're gonna send in Hog. Boom. And boom. Am I sending minion horde in here? Yep, minion horde. I don't care, I just want to take care of those 2 troops right there. They're gone. Send archers right there, just take out their freaking goblin hut. It's getting on nerves. Oh, Valkyrie, nice to see you. Not. Okay, now I'm gonna try Frozen Hog. Now minion horde. That. Which that should be it for that tower, if I'm lucky. No? Okay. We're gonna send in archers, we're gonna mirror the archers. We're gonna do another freeze hog. Yeah, freeze hog. And then gets in the hog, I'm gonna freeze. 1, 2, I'm gonna hit him with a good game. That should be 12 coins, and if I'm correct, that's 12 more. Oh, it's gonna be forever to get to 10,000. Well, pretty much all I'm gonna do now is just go through and join different clans and hopefully they request and stuff like that. So, tune in tomorrow for another video. Subscribe, hit the like button, and make videos Monday through Friday, weekends. I'm gonna do hopefully what is the game called? I can't remember, but I'll show you something on the weekend. So, see y'all tomorrow. Bye.